Unlock your inner fashion designer and learn how to bring your creative visions to life on shirts using the power of Midjourney AI. Midjourney is an incredible AI tool that can transform your ideas into unique, 3D top-print graphics. Let's dive into creating your own custom shirt designs. First, you'll need access to Midjourney, which is typically used through Discord. Once you're in the Midjourney bot channel, you're ready to start generating. The magic happens with your prompts. Be descriptive. Think about the style you want. Is it abstract, illustrative, vintage, or photorealistic? Mention colors, subject matter, and importantly, specify that it's for shirt printing. Adding terms like vector style or clean lines can help achieve a printable look. Midjourney will then present you with 4 unique interpretations of your prompt. Take a moment to examine each one. Once you find a design you love, you can upscale it for a higher resolution. This gives you a clearer, more detailed image to work with. To download your creation, navigate to the Midjourney website, where your generated images are stored. You can find your upscaled image there. From here, you can easily download the image in a high-quality format, ready to be sent to a shirt printer or used with your preferred design software for any final touches. With a little creativity and a lot of AI power, you can craft truly unique and eye-catching shirt designs that stand out from the crowd. Experiment with different prompts and styles to elevate your apparel game. The possibilities are endless.